So you have 30 seconds to figure out the diameter of each of these rods using only a meter stick.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, that's good. Good
No
luck.
problem, no problem. Easy peasy mode. That's
It's
0.9.
It's
It's
one. No, it's 1 centimeter.
It's 1 centimeter.
Exactly.
No problem. It's like they were built for this. You can tell. Only 1
I
centimeter.
know.
Guaranteed. 100%.
So what's your
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter?
This one
Exactly.
I'm calling
Precisely
it
down. All right.
So I'm calling it. This was made to be a 1 centimeter diameter rod, and we're right. It's possible.
Now,
It's possible.
it's very possible, actually. Let me measure that one too. All right. So today we're going to learn the more accurate way to do this, which is with calipers. Do people know what the parts of these are? JD, what's this part?
I have no idea.
Okay, this is the outer jaws, the inner jaws. This is called the retainer. It's the part you just clip down to make it stay in place. This is the vernier scale, and this is the millimeter scale. So this is the scale you use to measure to 0.1 millimeters. This is the big scale. That's the depth probe on the end. The main important things are going to be these two scales. And the way you read this, actually, let's get a volunteer.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Oh, volunteer. So, the way to read this is you find where the 0 on the vernier scale meets up with the millimeter scale. So Owen.
Wait, so where that goes where?
So where this dash meets up with this larger scale over here. So if you were to give me the measurement just in millimeters so far, what would it be?
2. Oh wait, millimeters.
Millimeters or centimeters, either way.
2.5.
2.4.
2.4.
Because you want to be under. You want to go to the lowest, or highest number below it. And then the way you work it out with the vernier scale is you find out exactly where this lines up with the scale on here. So which of these numbers do you think lines up best with this scale?
7 or 8.
Okay, so if you were to, and what you do is you just add those two numbers together. So what you had is 2.4 over there, or 24. So you have 24 millimeters. Then you add that to the 0.7. So you have what? 24 plus 0.7.
24.7.
Good. All right. General idea. Let's do another volunteer. Let's try another one, and then I'll explain. Actually,
Why don't they make it simpler? Like,
I mean, this is a simple design. It's cheap to make, and it's really accurate. So it is really simple. Terry,
Could you run us through the steps again?
yes, I will run you through the steps. So 5 steps to using this
So
thing.
how do we use the clips?
5 steps to using this thing. First of all, you take these jaws and you clamp it down
Okay.
on whatever you want to do. Second step, you take it off. That way, because you don't want to be like looking at this thing while it's on there and twisting it all over the place. Third step, you do the 0. So first you have clamp, then you have remove.
Okay.
Then 0, you want to see where the 0 of this scale intersects with the millimeter scale. So Terry, where does the 0 intersect?
I'm going to say 4.
About 3. So you find where the 0 intersects, and then the next one is you connect it. So you find where one of these lines connects. So Cyrus, which line here connects best, do you think, with one of the lines up there?
none of them? Honestly. 5?
5? Okay, yeah, I'd say like 5 or 6-ish. And then final step, so far you have clamp, remove, 0, and connect. Final step is you add it together. So if you had 3 millimeters, right? 0.6, 0.5 or 6. Dima, what would that be?
3.6.
Good. All right. Finally, you guys try it on your own. There's calipers back there. I want you to give me the diameters of those 3 bolts, the shafts of each of those bolts. Then everyone That means to cheer. You can do that one too.
I want to see whether we're right, Kyle.
Yeah, let's do it.
What is it?
You prep us with this question?
It's nowhere near 1 centimeter. Nowhere near 1 centimeter.
What is that?
No, we wanted to start.
We're testing.
Oh, you see. We got it.
And it's not 1. It's
But it's like 1
point.
point.
Like you take it off,
You're sliding it in.
That looks like it's 1 centimeter to me, Kyle. Like,
Interesting way.
how would you read this
You
camera?
Honestly, this is like
It
1.2.
looks like the
This
zero
one
line's
was
right up
seven.
with
Really
one,
interesting
and
that it
then-
also looks like you slid it there after you took it off.
This looks like about 1.2
That looks
centimeters.
pretty much accurate to me.
All right. So,
That is nowhere.
Dude, he's like, I'm sticking to my
oh, and what's the
One.
diameter of that then?
27.
Owen, is your name? Owen.
1.2.
That's what I said. I said 1.2 with this ruler.
1.27.
Clam.
See if
Remove. 0.
Connect.
Add.
Yay!
Yay!